Welcome to the tutorial on how to use and navigate Ceasefire Express, the eShop portal of Ceasefire. After you have been registered as a CBA, you will receive a welcome email from Ceasefire. This email includes the URL for the Ceasefire Express portal, along with your user ID and password. Use these credentials to log into your account on Ceasefire Express. The homepage features all product categories, including fire extinguishers, automatic extinguishers, suppression systems, kitchen systems, hydrant systems, spares, accessories, and tools. It also provides a search function to help you find specific products. The homepage highlights special features and offers easy access to relevant Ceasefire policies, along with other useful information. You can review our delivery and 30-day return policy, explore secure payments with fast checkout, and easily chat with our customer support team if you need a quick response. The sliding frames on Ceasefire Express showcase some of our most popular and widely used products. Click on the Learn More tab to find out more about the featured products. Additionally, Ceasefire is personalized for your convenience. Before we dive into that, let me first demonstrate how easy it is to explore the various products and solutions, and how seamlessly you can place orders through Ceasefire Express. When you hover your cursor over a product category header, a list of products in that category will appear. Simply move your cursor to the product you're interested in to view more details. To learn more about any product, click on the specific product category tab. A bar with filters will appear, making it easier for you to narrow down your search. Use these filters to quickly find the product you're looking for. For example, to explore the water mist-based wheeled product options, simply select the relevant filters by checking the appropriate boxes. You will also see stock availability numbers next to each filter. Additionally, filters are available for spares, accessories, tools, application areas, fire class ratings, and desired certifications, allowing you to refine your search further. As you scroll through the list of showcased products, you can easily find the one you're interested in. You can view its features, current availability, and discounted price based on your applicable club membership. If you want more details, click on the View Product tab. To learn more about specific aspects of the product, simply click on the corresponding header. To return to the previous page, click the Back button. You can add products to your wish list for future reference by clicking on the heart icon. The products added to your wish list will be saved under the Wish List tab in your personal account on Ceasefire Express. To place an order, simply select a product from any category, adjust the quantity to the desired number of units, and click Add to Cart. If you click on Add to Cart directly, one unit will automatically be added to your cart. Once you're satisfied with the number of units selected, you can either click Go to Cart from here or navigate to the top of the page and click the cart there. If you wish to add more products, click Continue Shopping. However, if you're ready to proceed with your order, click Proceed to Checkout. Click on your company name, which is on top of the page here, to access your personal Ceasefire account. This will open a dashboard with various tabs offering different features. A sidebar will also display these tabs for easy navigation. Let me walk you through each one. The My Profile tab displays your company details, the bank information you have provided, as well as VAT details if shared. It also includes any personal identification documents submitted during the registration process with Ceasefire. The My Orders tab displays a list of your orders. You can use the available filters to adjust the view as needed. From here, you can view, edit, or track both your placed and finalized orders. The My Addresses tab allows you to view and add addresses for both your organization and your customers. You can manage multiple addresses for streamlined order processing and delivery. The Wish List tab stores all the products you have marked as favorites. From here, you can directly add items to your cart, view product details, or remove products from this list. By keeping your favorite products saved, you can easily place orders directly from this tab. The Contact Us tab provides Ceasefire contact information, including our opening and closing hours, and an inquiry facility for any assistance that you may need. Now let's take a look at the calendar option. It provides a visual overview of all visits, meetings, appointments, and other events, helping you plan your day efficiently. Now let's talk about the Credit and Payment tab. This tab allows you to request a credit limit and make payments to clear the credit you have used. It also provides a detailed view of your credit history and all transactions, helping you efficiently track your financial interactions with Ceasefire. The Marketing Vault tab allows you to share mailers or flyers with one or more of your customers simultaneously. It is a powerful marketing tool to streamline communication and promote your products. It also allows you to see and download things such as brochures, videos, presentations, data sheets, and images in the Gallery section. The Search by Product tab within Downloads allows you to get all mentioned documents or videos for a specific product. The Add Employee tab allows you to manage your team's work by adding employees under your account. You can grant them access to specific tabs in their Ceasefire Express accounts based on your requirements. Next is the Support tab. This tab allows you to schedule calls and visits with customers while requesting assistance from a Ceasefire sales manager. You can also get answers to technical inquiries about Ceasefire products through the Frequently Asked Questions or FAQ tab. Additionally, you can access contact details for various staff members across different Ceasefire departments using the Contact Details tab. Using the My Customers tab, you can add customer details to your account and track all activities related to them, including visits and potential opportunities. By storing your customers' information here, you can streamline tasks such as mailing and order placement, as their details will be readily accessible. The Price List tab allows you to view and download price lists for different product categories, including any discounts applicable to your club, all from one convenient location. The Technical Workshop tab allows you to explore various technical workshops that offer certification sessions for the installation of kitchen and tube-based systems. You can also view and book seats for yourself and your team as needed. You can undertake training on products, processes, or any Ceasefire-related subject through the Training tab. This tab allows you to request specific training sessions and provides direct access to the Ceasefire training portal. This is the Commissioning tab. It allows you to send details for an audit of installed systems, such as kitchen or tube-based systems, to the Ceasefire team. To complete the process, you will need to answer a set of questions and upload relevant photographs and videos of the installed system for review. The Product Manual tab contains handbooks for the design, installation, operation, and maintenance of various Ceasefire products. You can access and review these manuals at your convenience. The Reports section provides access to detailed reports of all technical workshops you have booked with Ceasefire for kitchen or tube-based systems. It also maintains records of customer visits made by you or your team. The Inquiry tab allows you to view details of any inquiry assigned to you by your Ceasefire sales manager. You can also track the status of inquiries that you or your team have already addressed. The My Proposal tab lets you generate and view proposals for different products. If you need assistance from the Ceasefire design team to create a proposal, you can send them a request from here and track the status of your proposals. The Create Order tab is used to place orders for proposals created earlier. It allows you to convert a completed proposal, including those prepared by the design team for systems, into orders and takes you to the cart to finalize the purchase. So, through this session, we have seen how to use the homepage of the Ceasefire Express, as well as our personal dashboards, which allow us to do various aspects of the business seamlessly. Thank you.